Hi, and welcome to the channel. My name is Shah. In this video, I will guide you how to install and configure the lab in Hyper-V. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Please like and subscribe if you like the content. I'd really appreciate the support. Let's begin. First we need to do is press Windows plus R button. It will open one. And here you need to type optional features.exe. Press OK. Here you can see Hyper-V, expand, Hyper-V management tools, Hyper-V platform, expand both of them. As you can see, all the boxes are checked because I have already installed Hyper-V in my computer. So make sure all the boxes are checked. Press OK. It will immediately start installing Hyper-V in your computer, and after the installation, it will ask you to restart your computer. When you restart your computer, look for Hyper-V Manager, and to your left, you can see hit to learn. This is my computer name. And if you don't see your computer name, right click on connect on Hyper-V Manager, connect to server, local computer, okay. And then you will see your computer name over here. Come here, Hyper-V settings. This is the location I will be saving my hard drives and my virtual machines. So if you want to change the location, that's up to you. And if you want to keep it in a default location, that's also your choice. Up here, sorry, click on Virtual Switch Manager. We need to create one external switch because external switch connects VM to the physical network and internet through your host network adapter. This will give our LAN internet access. Give it a name, FW for firewall. Click on drop down menu, select the adapter you are using right now for your internet connectivity. I am using my wireless network adapter. Select, keep the settings like this, apply, yes. This will take a few seconds. Go back to virtual network switch. This time we will create a private switch. A private switch allows communication only between VMs, not with the host or internet. So how I explained before, we will be using our external switch to connect to the internet. And this will be for our LAN. Create virtual switch, give it a name. I will give it a name as LAN. Apply. Okay. Now let's click right click on your computer name, come here and create a virtual machine. Next, this will be your firewall, PF sense. Store here. This is my location, and I will create one folder over here just because I like it to be organized and I want my virtual machine and my hard drive to be stored in this location. Click next, generation 1. We are installing pfSense right now, so that's why it's generation 1. Change 4096 to 2048. I don't want to give it a lot of RAM. Next, FW, this is the switch we created before. Next, I will change the size of the hard disk for 220 GB. Next, install an operating system image. Here I need to find pfSense ISO image. Here it is. Next, finish. Right click on your firewall, pfSense. Here I will change disable checkpoint. A checkpoint in Hyper-V is used to save a virtual machine exact state and data at a specific moment, like a restore point. And if something, for example, if something goes wrong after changes or updates, you can revert the machine back to its original state or how you saved it in how it was saved last time. So I don't need it. If you want to enable it, you can. I will change processor to 2. I don't want to give all my cores to pfSense. Apply. We also need to add one network adapter in, pfSense. Connect. This time we will connect to LAN. Apply. So now we have one network adapter here for our firewall to access the internet, and this will be for our LAN. Okay. Right click again. New virtual machine. Next. So this time we will be installing server 2022 this time for DC0. This is where I would want to keep my virtual machine and the hard disk select folder. Next, generation 2. Next, 4096 memory is fine. We will connect LAN to our server 2022. I'll change the hard drive space to 80. Next, image, locate image 2022. Next, finish. I will do the same thing here, not complete all the same things. Uh, Processor change to 2. Checkpoint, disable, and we only need one LAN card in our server. Press OK. Right click again. Same process, but this time we will be setting up server 2025. This will be our DC1. I will copy this name. Browse, create a folder. DC1, select. Next, generation 2. Next, memory is fine. LAN. Next, 80. Next, 2025 server ISO is over here somewhere. Here it is. Next, finish. Do the same thing. Checkpoint disable. 2 cores. Apply. Everything looks fine. Okay, so now our Hyper-V is set up. In the next video, I will show you how to install and set up pfSense firewall, and we will use it as a router. Okay, so here I will also show you how and why I created different folders for firewall server 2022. So here firewall, go to firewall, and then you can see virtual hard drive. You can see virtual machine. Same thing over here. Now it's organized. If I need to copy and paste it in a different location, then I can easily copy and paste it, and I would know what I'm doing, what I'm pasting, what I'm copying. So it's a little bit organized. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.